Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy, and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today I hope you all are studying at home. So today what we are going to do, we are going to revise it, whatever we have learned previously. Okay. So today we are going to revise the body parts. So already you all know the body parts. So so let us just revise it. Okay. This is head. This is eye. This is ear. This is nose. This is mouth. This is arm. This is elbow. And this is finger. This is chin. This is shoulder. This is waist. This is hand. This is leg. This is knee. This is ankle. This is foot. And this is toe. So children, I hope you all understood. This is our body parts. Please revise it. And I know you all already know about it, but please revise it. So let us move forward. Okay children, so now we are going to, as I told you, we are revising it. So let us do one activity. This activity and this worksheet you are going to find out in your books also. You can take reference from your books and you can go through your books. So now I'm going to tell you how you are going to practice this activity. My face. Match the parts of the face with their names. So children, the names are written on the left hand side, and as you can see, the pictures are giving on the right hand side. And what you have to do, you have to match the correct word with that picture. So how you are going to do it, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so let's see the first name. The first name is head. So let us find out head. Where is head? Head is here at the end. So now you are going to put your pen, pencil, anything here in front of the name, and then you have to draw the straight line and join it with the picture. See, is it easy? Yes. Now let's see hair. Where is hair? It is here. So now you are going to do the same procedure and join it with the picture. Forehead. Where is forehead? Forehead is here. So now draw the line and join it with the picture. Eyebrow. Eyebrow is here. So draw the line and join it with the picture. Eyes. Eyes are here. So draw the line and join it with the picture. Nose. Nose is here. So draw the line and join it with the picture. So you need to follow the same procedure. Mouth. Mouth is here. So join it with the picture. Chin. Chin is here. Draw the line and join it with the picture. Teeth. Teeth is here. So draw the line and join it with the picture. And the last one is tongue. So draw the line and join it with the picture. So you can see it is very easy and you can do it at home. Okay, and like this you are going to revise it the whole body parts and the parts of your face. Okay children, so our next activity is parts of the face. Write the names of the parts of my face. So now I'm going to show you some pictures. You have to identify and you have to write the names. So I hope children you understood. I'm going to show you the pictures and you have to identify the names of that pictures. Okay? So let us start with number 1. What is this children? Ear. Ear. And what is the spelling of ear? E A R. Ear. E A R. Ear. What is this children? Head. Head. And the spelling of head is H E A D. Head. H E A D. Head. What is this children? Eye. Eye. The spelling of eye is E Y E. Eye. E Y E. Eye. What is this children? Chin. Chin. And the spelling of chin is C H I N. Chin. C H I N. Chin. What is this children? Hair. Hair. And the spelling of hair is H A I R. Hair. H A I R. Hair. What is this children? Teeth. Teeth. And the spelling is T E E T H. Teeth. What is this children? Nose. Nose. And the spelling of nose is N O S E. Nose. N O S E. Nose. What is this children? Tongue. Very good. And the spelling of tongue is T O N G U E. Tongue. T O N G U E. Tongue. Okay children, I hope you understood this activity. You will find it out in your books. You can go through your books and you can practice at home.
So dear kids, now you have to do this page number 10 in your general awareness book. You have to match the parts of the face with their names like I did. So head, you have to match it with the head. Similarly, hair, forehead, eyebrow, eye, nose, mouth, chin, teeth and tongue. So kids, kindly watch the video properly and do this work in your book. Also, page number 12 you have to do. What you have to do, you have to write the names of the part of the face. Okay, I have explained everything. Now you have to do these two pages, page number 10 and page number 12 in your general awareness book. Okay kids, so do these two pages and share your work with me. Bye kids, have a very nice day. Bye bye.